Good morning. In this lecture video, we see about what is meaning of engineering materials, and we see about the classification of engineering materials and the selection of engineering material purpose and the properties of materials. So first of all, what is meaning of engineering materials? Engineering materials refers to group of materials that are used in the constructions of man-made structures and components. The primary function of an engineering material is to withstand applied loading without breaking and without existing excessive deflections. So, what is the basic classification of engineering materials? Basically, engineering materials can be classified into two categories. One is metals, another one is non-metals. Engineering materials can also be classified as below: alloy, ceramic material, ceramic materials, organic materials. So, what is meaning of alloy and composite and components? Alloy means, this is the terms and definition. What is meaning of alloy? The combination of elements at test one metal in a solid solution with overall metallic property. What is meaning of composites? Combination of other materials where the mixed materials remaining physical distinct. What is meaning of compound? The combination of element with chemical bonding with very different property from its basic elements. Selection of material for engineering purpose. Best material is one which serves the desired objective at a minimum cost. Availability of the material and the sustainability of the material for working conditions in a service. The cost of materials. So what are the properties of materials? The first one main importance is mechanical property and thermal property, electrical property, magnetic property, chemical property and physical property. So we discussing about one by one. So first of all, what is meaning of mechanical property? In this group or combination is called it as mechanical property. It's a very important the strength, elasticity, ductility, malleability, plasticity, toughness, brittleness, corrosiveness resistance, abrasive resistance, fatigue, miscibility, hardness. So properties of metals. So general physical properties of metal. The first one, the shiny appearance. They show as a metallic luster, hard to cut. On being hammered can be beaten into thinner sheets. This is the property is called as malleability. Most metals are malleable. Gold, silver metal are most of the malleable metals. The most metals are ductile, is a good conductor of electricity and heat. General physical properties of the metal. The metals are generally sonorous, and that is they make in a ringing sound when struck. The metals such as iron are very strong, therefore therefore it is widely used in the construction building, bridge, railway lines and the carriage, vehicle and the machineries. All metal except mercury exist in a solid form at a room temperature. Therefore, they retain their shape under the normal conditions. High melting point, high tensile strength. So, what is the general chemical properties of the metals? Metal, when burned in the presence of oxygen, they combine with oxygen to form the metallic oxides, which are basic in nature. Metal hydroxide changes red litmus blue, which shows its a basic characteristics. Most of the metal corroded when they are exposed to the atmospheric. Metals differs in their reactive with acids. Most of the metal react with acids to produce and hydrogens. What are the general properties of ceramics? The physical and chemical properties of the ceramics. The first one is high melting point, great hardness and strength, considerable durability, low electrical and thermal conductivity, chemical in inerts, high dimensional stability, and good wear resistance. Thank you.